Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to extract audio from any given video using few lines of Python code. So to get started, just fire up your favorite IDE and I'll be using UV as my package manager. So all I'll go ahead and do here is to type UV init as always. And right after the project initialization, I'm going to install the library we'll be using. So I'll just type UV add and the name of the library is MoviePy. I'll hit enter on this and this will take some time to install all the packages, and as you can see it has installed all the packages I need. So I'll quickly clear this, and at the top here UV will create you a main.py file so you can use this file for any code you want to write. So I'll go ahead and import MoviePy. Okay, so I'll just import MoviePy and that's it. And guess what, I also have a video file I want to use. So this is a video file of robot cars. Let me mute this and maybe I can play. I don't think I can mute it, but it's just a video file that shows you robot cars and stuff. So yeah, we are going to extract the audio from this particular video file. So let me show you how you can do it using the MoviePy library. All right, so at the down here we'll create a function. So let's call this function extract audio, and extract audio is going to take our video path. So I'll just type in video underscore path here. And now to extract the audio, you need to pass in your video file to this particular function from MoviePy. So let's call this one video, and video is equal to MoviePy dot video file clip. Okay, so in here you have to pass in your video file to this particular function, and then from this particular video object that we have here we can do a whole lot of things. So one thing we can do is to get the audio file. So we can just type audio is equal to video.audio, and this will give us the audio file. But there are certain things you can also know about your video file. Okay, so you can know something like the duration. So you can write duration is equal to audio.duration. You can return the duration, you can do anything. So you can also know even the fps, okay, the frame per second of the video. So I can type fps is equal to audio.fps, and we can get all these particular information. So we are interested in the audio file. So after getting the audio file, we need to what, save the audio file. So we can do the audio dot write or something like that. You can do audio dot write audio file, and then you can give it a name, any name you want. I wanted it to be mp3. I don't want a WAV file, so I can change here to be mp3. And then extracted audio is a nice name. fps, we are giving the fps we have taken for the video, and we can just return this. So after running this code, we expected the audio file to be extracted and saved here. So what I'll do here is to come down and call my function. Okay, so video path will be the path to this video, which is just, the name is video.mp4. I'm working in the same directory, so I can just do this and get a video.mp4. Duration, fps is extract, and that's it. So we can just do this and this will get us the audio file. So let me give this a try. Let me run it and see how it goes. So you can see on the terminal here, everything has worked successfully. Our code ran successfully. And if you check here, now we have the audio file. So you can see we got the audio file right here. So this is the audio file. We can play it. You can see it will make a lot of noise. And this is how simple you can extract any audio from video using Python. This library is very important. You can build a whole video editor around this particular library because it has a lot of functionality as well. What I'm also going to do is I can print the fps and also print the duration. The duration is in seconds, so if you want to convert it to minutes and stuff, you can also do that. So let's run this once again and see how many seconds get printed, and you can see the duration is about 230.98 seconds. Okay, so yeah, that's just it. And this is how simple you can do this using the Python programming language. Let me know what you think about this video, and also make sure you leave a like, you follow, and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.